Hi, this is Theresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this 2016 Jeep Patriot. This is a Sport Edition. Does have the steel wheels, 16-inch. This is deep cherry red in color. This is a one-owner, clean Carfax. This is an awesome, awesome vehicle. Bought here at Firkins and traded here at Firkins. Inside, it has seating for 5. It does have manual windows, manual locks. It only has 6,819 miles. AM/FM radio, satellite radio with a CD player. Manual transmission. Very nice interior, clean. Looks like nobody ever sat in it. Right off the showroom floor. Even the floor mats were completely covered, so they have absolutely no wear on them. Back seat has never been sat in. Seating for 5. Cup holders. Very, very nice vehicle. Lots of storage in the back. Seat does lay down. It's a 60-40 split. If you would like more information on this vehicle, please call Theresa here at Firkins. You can reach me at 941-807-1165. You'll only find it at Firkins.